Hello everyone, I'm Kabir Bajaj from the Stupid Lab. Today I've brought you a new experiment. I was getting bored. I thought that why don't I make something and play with it. I came up with the idea that I should make an airplane. So I will make an airplane and show you how it is made, and then we'll test it. So right now I cut some strips. I've marked them with a pen so I can see it, and now I cut it. I have one big strip and one small strip. So now we have to join these tapes and join these strips and make a circle. Now I'll join the other strip and make another loop. I'm done making the second loop. I'll stick the straws on these. So, on the bigger circle, we'll stick the straws on the inner side, but on the smaller circle, we'll stick it outside. So now I'm done sticking the straws on the bigger strip. Now I'll attach them on the smaller one. I have two aeroplanes. One I made earlier when I was trying the experiment, and this is the one that I have made right now. So let's try this one.
Whoa! Wow!
So we have two airplanes here. This one is flying much better than this one. I think the problem could be that this circle is a much smaller than this one. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please try it at home and tell me how it works. And did you enjoy making it? Do like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. So now, I have an urban. So I have an urban.
सम्मी इधर करके उड़ा, उधर नहीं इधर।